Hey guys, Joey again, trying to talk about making $100,000 a year. Everybody's dream, everybody's goal in the car business, because it's easy. You don't have to have a degree. It all just takes you training like if you were in school, because it is a craft, it is something you have to learn. So another thing we're going to talk about today is product knowledge. Product knowledge is really important in the sense of you finding the right car for the customer. So if a customer tells you, hey, I like this particular car, but I want it to have leather, I want it to have sunroof, I want it to have these kind of wheels, I want it to have that. Is there only one option for you to get to that? Do you have to go to the highest model? Or can you find something with the lower model and add those things on there? So finding exactly what the customer wants and then you making the lower model into what they want would make you a lot of profit, and would also make you sound very professional and understand that, hey, I always have an option, there's a solution, let's go ahead and make this deal happen. So it makes a customer buy now, makes them not have to pay high and you have to negotiate. So remember, that's one way to make gross, and we all know that we get paid off gross, and if not gross, units. So regardless, whatever route you see it, unit, gross, you're still gonna get one or the other. So remember that when you're doing product knowledge. Product knowledge is also really important for the customer to see that, hey, you know what you're talking about, I should listen to this guy. So that way when he does go down the street, if he does go and shop you, the other guy who he went in there with said, yeah man, I don't know what this is, or I don't know what this is. So two ways to talk to a customer. Route number one, customer says, hey, do you have this XLE model? I used to sell Toyota, so hey, do you have this XLE Highlander? Yes sir, I do have this XLE Highlander. What do you like about it? Do you like the wheels? Do you like the sunroof, the leather? I know all the features that come in it. Oh yeah, I like this, I like that, I like this, I like that. Great, I show him the car, I present it beautifully. He goes and shops me somewhere else. Customer says, hey, I want to look for an XLE Highlander. Guy says, oh okay, I think they're out front. We can go check, right? You go out there, you start checking. I think this is an XLE model. If you want, we can. Do you want me to grab the key, or is that not too big of a deal? No, you know, like, yeah, I think this is okay. Yeah, okay, well, let's get inside of the car. Come on, let's go, let's check it out. Yeah, so it does seem to have navigation. Oh, hey, look, it's got a sunroof. These are some pretty good looking wheels. So remember, who do you want to be? You want to be the guy that knows everything. Not to be better than the customer, because that's not the ideal goal here. It's just to show the customer that, hey, you can deal with me because I'm gonna take care of you. I know everything that the car has. I know why it has it or what's the benefit for it. Product knowledge, really important. Always keep that in mind.